sleeping because my eyes are already open. I'm gonna take a bath because I'm gonna do something awesome. Taking a bath! 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 Come on, not again! Oh, well, it's done anyways. I'm probably gonna go not downstairs, but somewhere. I don't know. Oh, I'm gonna go to Orangeburg's, actually. I'm gonna go look at his house again. I'm just gonna do it. Odd? I thought Blueberry was down here. His golf cart. Wonder where he's at. Oh yeah, that stupid foam thing I put outside yesterday. But you didn't see it. Because that was the end of the video. Video logic. Okay, I'm going now. Oh hey, Blueberry.
Shut up, I'm trying to sleep.
Whoa, calm down there, Krabby Pants.
I wasn't trying to be mean, that's all I am.
Why?
Because I just am.
Okay. Here, I got something for you. That's for being mean. Ugh. Okay, well, I'm here again. And this time I got in my car. Same house. I'm gonna go knock on the door. Orange Bird! Where are you? I'll let myself in. Orange Bird! Orange Bird! Where are you? I bet he's at the store, maybe. I'm not quite sure. Wait a minute. Remember what I said last time I was gonna rob him? Well, I'm gonna take up the opportunity. Mine now.
After he drove back from Orange Bird's house to his house. I don't know why, but we have lazy editing. Don't judge me.
Woohoo! Time to play this thing. Hey, random head, come over here and turn on the TV.
Okay.
I hate this game, but I'm still gonna play it.
Finally back from the store. La la la. Where's my Xbox controller? I hope nobody stole it. My grammar's horrible. Don't make fun of me. Random flashback. Oh, now I remember. He thought he was gonna rob me. Wait.
That was a cool game. Now I have to go to the store, because I'm really poor. Again. Let's go.
There's my Xbox controller, that little butt. I can't believe you do that to his own friend. Never disobey your friends, kids. Life lesson. But seriously though, seriously. You know what? To get him back, you just watch what I'm gonna do. It'll be so horrifying. You might want to get your mommy or daddy to watch it with you. Is this whole house? Bye-bye. First got the controller. So it doesn't get broken when I do this. As you already know what I'm probably going to do. You know what else I'm going to do? First of all, I'm going to steal everything you love. I bet you've done that once and you probably do that. Don't judge me. Then I go upstairs randomly. What a nice bed. Yeah, that's right. How do you like it now, yellow turd? Oh yeah, think about it in your bathtub too. I'm a savage. And after floating randomly again, yup. Boom! Dead house. There, that should do it. Now I'm gonna go back home.
Coming home from the... What? What happened? Why is my house fallen? Took it over? It fell over. Who did this? You know what they originally call us? The Angry Birds. issues. Really bad.
Man, I love playing my Xbox.
Really? You had to tip over my whole house? Because of an Xbox controller?
Yup.
You're just cruel.
I know.
Anyways, you better come up there and fix it. Or don't make me.
Fine, gosh.
Huh, now I know how it feels. I'm gonna go follow them. Ah.
Not this time.
Now, explain something to me.
What?
The house, you ding-dong!
Oh, the house. Yep, I tipped it over.
Why?
The Xbox controller.
Once again? Why?
Because I wanted to.
Ugh, do not make me get angry.
Why?
Because I said so! Now fix it!
Fine, jeez. Ugh.
He learned his lesson. He's gonna fix that. With his tiny little birdie feet, which we don't have. No, what? I'm not even gonna do this anymore. Video logic? Of course not.
Ugh, man, what have I done? I get angry too easily. Nah, it's kind of worth it though. Great. Now, of course, I have to fix it because I did it. But I didn't mean to. I guess I did. But I'm gonna fix it anyways. First, start with to put it back up.
Don't do that.
Okay. Ugh. This is not working. I'm gonna need some help. Here, Mackenzie. Come here.
I don't want to. I'm busy.
Come on, you know you want to. I'm gonna look down on the floor for a sec while he does it.
Oh, come on. Really? First, I have to turn on his TV, and now he wants me to do this? What the heck? Really? Really?
Yep.
Pick the stupid thing up now. There we go. Yeah, this is so hard, but it's worth it. Yeah. Done.
Now I'll get the rest. I'm done.
With all of it?
Yes. Look. Go look for yourself. I'm going home.
Wow. That was easy. By the way, quick message from the big dude in front of me and the camera.
Don't do that.
Why?
Because I said so.
Ugh. Stop. Fine. Anyways, the Lego Technics he's making, he's going to do a dyno test on them on a treadmill. Oh, great. SML, if you're watching this, I know this is copyright, but yeah.
I am Jeffy.
This is not supposed to be from the video.
Who cares? My dad says he's not gonna get anything from me for Christmas.
I wonder why.
You look tasty. I'm gonna eat you.
Just get out of the room. This is a bird's life, not Jeffy.
No,
He's in Florida.
no. I'm gonna destroy the house.
Anyways, thanks for watching.